In front of me is SONY Xperia 1, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, click on Languages and input them, and now go to the languages. If you would like to add another language, just click on Add a language, and here you've got all the options that you can apply. So let me choose, for example, Portuguese, then select the region, and now slide it up to make it a default language. As you can see, from now on everything will be in Portuguese. So this is it. This is how you can change language in your phone. Whenever you would like to change it again, just go to Languages and Input, pick Languages, and now you can remove unnecessary languages by tapping on More icon, click on Remove, select the particular language, and then tap on the bin icon and tap on OK to remove it. As you can see, it's no longer here, and then just add another language if you would like to. So that's basically all. This is how you can change language in your SONY Xperia 1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.